Oh, a little more confidence, honey. Watch your foot. She biffed it. Oh, I hit something. Gotta catch her. Oh, where's she gonna take me? Fawn had a rough day today. He flipped her actual bike that she rides in the driveway right up onto its handlebars. And she broke the clutch cable. So she's on her old 150F. The old Honda 150F. Where is she going? Picking gnarly trails today. Uh-oh. What is this? That old bike, that one's good. It lasts forever, always runs. Probably one of the most dependable bikes you can buy. See if she makes it up here. Ooh, I have trouble riding so slow. That's what I always tell her. She's the best slow rider I know. Oh, I saved her. She's not gonna get up. Try it, she might. Watch your foot.
Oh, I went into neutral.
Twice.
Stupid.
You did it twice. I don't know. I think I'm gonna have to turn you around.
I think you are. Did you see the gopher?
No.
Oh, he was running down the trail in front of us for like 50 feet. It was so cute. He was like a big fat thing.
You were in front of me.
Oh, I pointed and I said, look at him go.
Oh, I couldn't see him.
He was so cute. I think I might be forgetting that I'm not riding my old bike.
Yeah, because this one doesn't have the auto clutch.
Yeah, I won't be able to get up there from here.
Oh yeah, it won't start unless it's in neutral. Right?
No, it won't. It will. You're pulling the clutch all the way.
Well, it's not.
I turned the key off. It's the only way to stop it.
Okay.
Okay, well, I'm just gonna go this way and then go the road and then go a different way.
Yeah, just wait for me. I gotta turn around.
Yeah.
Wait. Okay. Now I gotta get a turn around. Take two. You had a little mishap there. You just have an auto clutch that you can't stop, so we'll give her that. back down. This is our loaner bike that we lend out to everybody. So it has the boldest tires. It has 2 inner tubes in the front wheel, so it never gets a flat. It's just kind of a beater. Oh, she picked a bad line. Ooh, stay by, okay. So Fawn is my wife. I've been married to her for 2.5 years now. We have a whole bunch of kids because we blended a family, so I came with 2 and she had 2, and then, you know, during the honeymoon stage, well, we've had another one. We got some older kids and we got one young kid. He's out riding dirt bikes now. He's out riding right now on a track. He's got to start standing a little more. He's nervous. He's nervous today. One's had a few bikes. He's had a couple of really real nice ones. She had a KX250 that the 4-stroke one that she picked up. It was 2013. Broke the wheels right off the axle. Love that. She did take some time off. Hurt her knee, so she kind of just getting back. But she's got a 150R now. Where's she gonna go? No, don't go there. Come on. Do this one. Trying to do hard stuff, I know. Probably for the video. But I'd rather see her just pump all of it. Woo! It's like, don't tell me what to do. She didn't want to stop and hear my reasoning. Here we go, so let's see what she does. Sandy. Not very steep. Got it. Alright. What's next? Oh! Okay. Oh, a little line here. Now where's she gonna go? These are the old trails. We used to ride these ones lots, but slowly newer trails appear, and then people ride these older ones less and less. So sometimes it can be a tree across. Okay, she's gonna decide she wants to coast. Mountain bike ride! Ooh, sticky. Here we go. Old school trail. Those 4-strokes have that nice engine braking. Kind of easier for beginners because the engine kind of helps keep the bike from running away on you. Where these things, they just freewheel. Pick up speed going down hills from these 2-stroke bikes. going down to her favorite one, the West Side Trail. Runs along the West Side Road. It's pretty fun. It's not a lot of elevation changes, so it's a lot of good wind. It's dropping in. Oh, it's gonna try to cut into that trail there. Not happening. Yeah, we'll catch her coming down here. Dusted her out a little tiny bit. Wow. You guys out here blasting off rounds. You got a big rifle down there. Try to get it. No, sir. It just wasn't fast enough. I didn't take advantage of the opportunity quick enough. Whoa! Let's stay high on her. Try. Oh, can't pinch her off. Well, it's lollygag down this trail here. I think I'm gonna have to buy some tires. I don't even know if it has brakes. I never. That thing just sits there, and she just somehow flipped her bike, destroyed it. She got a wicked little racing bike, and destroyed the driveway. And then she showed up there riding this little pile. Oh, she's starting to go faster. It's hard to follow people really close because you don't get to see the rocks. You just kind of nail stuff once in a while. Up a little. There, that a girl. Oh, nice. Good job. Gotta see her butt come off the seat a little bit. You don't have to be all the way off the seat, but if you're loading your foot peg, you're still relieving weight off of the seat. That's what you do. Sometimes it might just barely touching, but that's still, you're not seeing the action. I was gonna raise a little hell with her there. Try to make her a little, pick up the pace of that. See how she reacts. Could be good. Could be bad. We'll see. We'll get into these turns. I'll try to make a pass on her. It's hard on these little single tracks, but you have to really gas your bike to get by. Coming up on a pretty good section. I feel like I can really get her. How are you doing? You okay? Good. I was just gonna make a pass on you.
I know. And when you tell all your viewers of why I fell, just remember that you're making me ride on a flat tire.
I already explained that. You flipped your bike and wrecked your good bike.
Right.
Yeah. Alright, let's pick her up. That didn't work out very well at all. I was trying to make a pass and then she fell. I hope I caught most of that. I was trying to pass you. Sorry. Did I scare you?
No.
I scared her right off of her bike.
I did. I hit this rock.
Oh yeah, in that turn.
Got a nice little scuff on it too. But
Wonderful.
it's still my fault. Like,
yeah, you're fine.
I shouldn't be washing out my front tire.
You should be using it going higher on these berms and use that as backing. That's the problem is you're not using that.
I thought I was. Hi! I came like here and I thought I was hitting this one and then my front tire hit there. I think I washed out. But it's still kind of stupid.
Okay, put her in neutral.
I'm better than that.
Put her in neutral, rocket. There. Okay, so I guess she's okay now, and we are going to try to pass her again. Go! I wanted to see her. She used to go up here all the time. No, she doesn't. I don't know. You used to always go up here.
I know, I'm scared.
Oh. Oh, your tire is showing it. God. Show off for her. Well, I got her. Didn't even get to see a quarter of that. Oh, I hit something. Threw me right on. I'm actually hating my front tire today. Get up over the log. Oh, a little more confidence, honey. What's nice is you can roll back to that. Yeah. There you go. Gotta get on the other side of it. On the other side of the bike. Climb over it. Not that way.
Well, I'm too short.
Oh my God. Now you're getting felt up by the front fender.
Whatever.
Pull! Yeah. Okay. Golden. Good job. Next time, just hit it with a bit more speed, eh? So, yeah. Whoa! Hey, go this way! Okay, back on track. Get around the tree here. She's not going. Oh, there's all these rocks up here. Somehow wiggled her way through, so that was good. Good job, Lee. Ah. Now what's she gonna do? Some motocross? There's Jack. Mommy's seen her kid, so she's gonna go directly to him. What is going on here? Oh, there's swapping bikes. Whoa! I almost landed on her back tire. Now we're riding with Jack and Fawn. Go get Jack. Oh, he said, I'm gonna stand up. I'm gonna show you that. Oh yeah. Well, how was your ride on the 150F? Actually, how did your ride begin on the 150R?
Sorry, how does it compare?
How did your ride begin on the 150R?
I started my bike in gear and it took off because I decided to give it gas while it was in gear and flew down the driveway and left me on my ass.
And flipped the bike right onto a
Flipped the bike,
town
broke my muffler, I think. I don't know. Rowan said it's like needs help. And then my throttle cable, it wasn't working and it ripped right out.
But you've been demoted to the 150F, and how's your experience on that today?
You know what? When I get on it, I like it better.
Really? You know what? It is a bit
It's longer.
It's longer, yeah.
Yeah. I got
That's
on
what
it.
I was telling him.
I got
He's
on
like,
it and remembered why I like this bike.
Yeah.
Hey, put them in the YouTube video.
I wish they made a new one.
Yeah.
A brand new one.
Yep, they're pretty, but they
Because
make
I don't
a,
race.
they make a Kawasaki 140. Let's try and get you one of those.
Okay.
All right, that was fun. Oh!